Hi, I'm going to show you how to create a pricing page using Glazed Builder. In this video, you will learn how to use rows, columns, text, and button elements in order to create a clean and professional design for your Drupal website. To create an empty section, click on the plus icon and select Section from the Layout tab. Click on the plus icon inside the new section and select Row from the same tab. Select the preferred amount of columns from the Row Layout menu. In this tutorial, we are going to work with 4 column rows. Add the text element to determine the package's name, price per subscription, and additional details by clicking on the plus icon within the second column. Select the text element under the Content tab and click on Save Changes. An automated text has been generated by Glazed Builder. Clone the generated text by clicking on the copy icon in the toolbar. Now drag and drop the text element to the next column in the row. Repeat this action one more time so that we have 3 out of 4 columns filled in with default text. Click inside each column and edit the default text with your subscription packages, price per subscription, and additional details. Adjust the styling and formatting of the text in the toolbar. To highlight the price, click on the pencil icon in the text toolbar and select Highlighted Inline Style from the Block Styles menu. Click on Save Changes. Go to the Row settings by clicking the pencil icon in the Row toolbar. In the Style tab, specify a border color of your choice. Set the border style to solid. Set the border value to 4px on the bottom and 0px on top and the sides. Now click on Save Changes. To specify the features of each price package, click on the plus icon and add a new row element. In the Row Layout menu, set the number of columns to 4. Click on the plus icon inside each column where you want to add the features of your subscriptions. Add a text element. Click on Save Changes. Modify the default text with your product features. Once you've filled in the first row, click on the copy icon in the row control bar. Now simply click and type inside the second row and add the next features. Repeat this action until you have the necessary amount of rows for listing the features for each price package. Click on the plus icon inside the column where you want to add a personalized checkmark and select the text element under the Content tab. Paste the checkmark of your choice in the body text. Go to the Style tab and choose a font color and a background color you would like your checkmark to have. Set the border radius all the way up to 100 to create the round shape. Set the padding values as 4px top and bottom and 12px left and right. In the General tab, set the utility classes to whole left. Now click on Save Changes. Now copy the created checkmark by clicking on the copy icon in the text toolbar. Drag and drop the element to the column where you would like to show that the features are not available. Click on the pencil icon in the toolbar and replace the checkmark with an M- in the body text. The keyboard shortcut for creating an M- is Alt-Control- if you are on Windows, or Alt- if you are on a Mac. Now go to the Style tab and choose a new background color. Change the padding settings to 5px on top and bottom and 11px on the sides. Click on Save Changes. You can now use your checkmark or your EM dash wherever you want in your pricing table. Just click on the copy icon and then drag and drop it to the column of your choice. Use the copy icon to clone the row until you have the necessary amount for your feature list. Click on the plus icon at the bottom to create a new section. Click on the plus icon inside the new section and select Row from the Layout tab. Select the number of 4 columns from the Row Layout menu. Click on the plus icon and go to the Content tab. Choose the button element. Fill in the General tab with the content of your choice. Optionally, set the link target to New Window if you want to open the link in a new window. You can select a different type in the type setting. If you want the button to take the full width of its container, switch on the block setting. Set the size of our Call to Action button to Large. In the Style tab, pick a background color for your Call to Action button. Once you're finished, click on Save Changes. You can now copy the Call to Action button to the next column by clicking on the copy icon. Now drag and drop it to the column of your choice. Repeat this action until we have 3 out of 4 columns filled in with Call to Action buttons. Now click on the pencil icon and change the title of your Call to Action button. As you can see, we now have a clean, professional-looking pricing page. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more.